Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix activation failed on VIBER. So if you are a new VIBER user and you encountered this activation failed on your browser, meaning there's something wrong while logging in to your VIBER account or creating your VIBER account. So if you're interested in this kind of videos, make sure to stay up until the end for you to log in to your VIBER account. The first thing you need to make sure is that you are not using a VPN. So like this, if I'm using a VPN, I'll turn this on. So when you use VPN, right, your IP address will be located to another location. So if you're using a VPN while making a VIBER account, most likely you will encounter a problem like the fix activation failed problem. So make sure that the VPN on your phone is turned off. And if you're using your browser, make sure that the VPN on your browser is turned off. Another method is that you go to your settings and go to your app manager and your storage and cache. Click that and make sure to clear your data on your VIBER app or just clear cache. Because when you do this, it will be refreshing your VIBER account or your VIBER app. And after you've cleared your VIBER app, just go and restart your phone. And once you restarted and got back to your phone, go back to your VIBER and try logging in again, and most likely you won't encounter the failure anymore. That's it. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Make sure to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.